From the Detroit Free Press, it's Thursday. Here are today's top stories, presented by Bush's Fresh Food Market. Calling all foodies, Bush's is hiring. Are you passionate about food, looking for growth, development, and excellent wages? Come grow with Bush's and apply online at bushes.com/join-our-team. That's Bush's, BUSCHS.com/join-our-team.
I'm Dave Boucher with the Detroit Free Press. Michigan's chief medical executive says mandating masks in schools would likely curb the spread of COVID-19, and she's recommended as much to state leaders. Dr. Jonae Khaldun described her thoughts on a mandate in response to multiple questions Wednesday from reporters about why Governor Gretchen Whitmer and Health Department leader Elizabeth Hertel have not issued a statewide mask mandate ahead of the start of school. Khaldun said, quote, "We do understand that there currently is a law that would allow us to implement that mandate, but at this time, the governor and the director have not made that determination." In response, Whitmer's office reiterated that the governor has encouraged districts to institute mask mandates on their own. However, her office declined to say what the harm would be in instituting a statewide order. Spokesman Bobby Letty said, quote, "School districts and local health departments should work together to put in place universal mask policies to keep students safe and ensure that in-person learning can continue this year." Also on Wednesday, the state's chief epidemiologist said experts expect pandemic trends to worsen in the state. Dr. Sarah Lincalo pointed to research indicating if one elementary school child infected with the Delta variant of COVID attends a class of 25 students and no masks are worn, it would take just 3 hours to infect half the other students in that room. In Michigan, cases are up more than 600% since late June, hospitalizations are up 23% since last week, and deaths are up 41% since late July, according to the state. All of Michigan is now considered to be in a high transmission status, according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. That means the CDC recommends everyone wear a mask while in public, even if you were vaccinated. After describing the state's worsening trends, Lincalo acknowledged she had, quote, "painted a fairly grim picture."
I'm Sue Salaski, Detroit Free Press food writer. A recent Facebook post indicates Total Wine & More stores planned for Ann Arbor, Novi, and Sterling Heights will soon open. The large retailer of beer, wine, and spirits posted that it is looking for staff at all 3 locations. A store supervisor position at the Ann Arbor location shows a pay rate of $17 per hour with overtime opportunities. Other open positions at various locations are assistant store manager, cashier, sales stock, and associate positions. Total Wine & More has stores nationwide. According to its website, it's the country's largest independent retailer of fine wine. Typical stores carry more than 8,000 different wines from around the world, more than 2,500 beers, and 3,000 spirits. The chain bills itself as America's Wine Superstore. Stores also carry a selection of accessories, cigars, and glassware. Prices vary with every style of beverage, but Total Wine & More says it's committed to offering the lowest prices.
I'm Andrew Hammond for the Free Press Sports Department. Bally Sports has spoken regarding their punishment of Detroit Tigers legend Jack Morris after his comments regarding Shohei Ohtani on Monday night. The network announced that Morris has been suspended indefinitely. The network commented in saying that they are extremely disappointed with the remarks. Morris will be undergoing bias training to educate him on the impact of his comments and how he can be a positive influence in a diverse community. The Detroit Tigers also issued a statement regarding the suspension. "We are deeply disappointed by the comments made by Jack Morris during the broadcast on Tuesday night. We fully support Bally Sports' decision and their ongoing commitment to ensure that all personnel are held to the highest standards of personal conduct."
For more stories from the Detroit Free Press, be sure to check out freep.com. That's FREEP.com. If you're a fan and want to support our quality local journalism, subscribe. Go to freep.com/special offer.